MTD Network at North Oxfordshire Golf Club, if I could say it. Now, Albert, what are we celebrating?
We're celebrating a momentous occasion. I've been in business for 40 years. Started in 1978 with a couple of people, rubbish machinery and a lot of hope.
It's all changed, though, because I see you've had to dust off one of the cars from the garage.
Yeah, it's just my little runabout.
Now, these are some of the prizes, so if you see me flying past in a nice Ferrari or an Aston Martin, I've nicked it because I haven't won it. Is that right, Albert?
That's correct.
Guys, congratulations, 40 years in business, Albert. What are you looking forward to today?
Just a wonderful day with good friends and a few family members. And
Ciao, bello.
yeah, we're going to have a great day. Yeah, we're just looking for a relaxing day's golf.
What car are you after? What are you looking to win?
Well, I'm after that.
Right, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I think that's going to suit me.
It's been a long day filming. Dave has had the joy of playing golf with me, but Dave, it's a technical term. How do you hit it so far?
It's about timing, really, Carl. It's all timing, mate. Yeah, nothing else. No skills, timing.
That's like my timing on the camera, is it?
Absolutely, yeah. That's to a T, mate. To a T.
Oh, nice golf punt. I have to say though, I've never seen anybody hit golf balls so far. It went, what's the technical term? Chuffing miles.
Long and straight.
There you go. There you go. I've got no more to say than that. Dave, sitting down, having a beer. Well, first of all, is this on Albert's tab?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Whatever I can get back, I try to.
Yeah, we've got that on camera that Albert's got a tab, which is great. But how's you sitting down? It's been a long day, I understand.
Yeah, I got my money's worth certainly today. It's what I find is it's funny, we're all precision engineers, and it's about accuracy and precision, and really that wasn't what we delivered today.
Excellent here, but you had a good day though.
Marvellous, great fun, yeah. One of my favourite golf days.
Do you know what the keys are?